don't want loose vagina anymore after baby delivery, so you can use this product. It is so safe. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ ज्योति. So in this video I'm gonna take a very sensitive topic which is a reality, but for so many people it could be uncomfortable. So if you are comfortable, just keep on watching, and if you are not, just skip the video. We are women and Almighty made us and has chosen us to give a birth to a baby. So we are so blessed, but after giving a baby delivery, the vagina becomes loose. For this situation, I'm gonna recommend this product, which is from VG3. Basically, it is female renewal, and these are vaginal tablets with the applicator. So this is how it looks. It has so many tablets, as you can see, with 2 applicators. How to use it? Dip the tablet in the water. With the help of applicator, just insert the tablet into the vagina, and then you have to take rest for 30 minutes. And then you have to remove the residue after use by washing. Why this product only? It regenerates and restores elasticity caused due to post-pregnancy, naturally, menopause, and sexually activeness. It prevents unhealthy discharge and help in treating prolapsed uterus. What are the benefits of this product? After using this product, you can see the result within 30 to 45 minutes. With this product, no pain and no side effects. Doesn't require lengthy recovery period, doesn't involve the use of artificial implants or devices. So we can understand this is the natural way of vaginal tightening without any surgery, and we can reclaim the confidence. Why VG3 product is the best product? 50,000 plus satisfied women, 22 lakhs plus views on all social media's platform like Instagram, FB and YouTube also. 3600 plus rating on all marketplaces like Flipkart, Meesho, Amazon, etc. VG3 tablets are 100% herbal and Ayurvedic. The product is approved by Ayush department. After using this product, you can feel the vaginal tightness within 30 minutes, and you don't have to wait for months. Who can use this product? So if you are 18 plus of your age and sexually active, so you can use it very easily. This product is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and product website as well. So links are available in the description box below, so you can visit there. For all queries and consultation, you can call and WhatsApp. Details are mentioned in the description box below. The specialities of these products are GMP certified, cruelty free, paraben free and harsh chemical free. इस पूरे बॉक्स में जितनी टैबलेट्स है आपको 45 डेज तक आप इसे यूज कर सकते हो. Points to be considered. Effect will last for 12 hours. Use it every alternate day. Wash the residue after use. Wait for 30 minutes before intercourse. Do not use during period or pregnancy or post 2 months delivery. So basically, if you don't want loose vagina anymore after baby delivery, so you can use this product. It is so safe. All the details are mentioned in the description box below. So if you like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any query, you can comment me down below. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, just subscribe to my channel right here and also press the bell icon so you will never miss out my any single video. So yeah guys, keep watching. Peace. Till then, bye bye.